Hey everyone! In this short video tutorial, I will show you the top 3 best and free AI image generator tools to generate your own unique and impressive image from a line of text. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. An AI image generator, also called a text-to-image generator, is a software program that uses artificial intelligence to create images based on your written descriptions. Just imagine you have a vivid picture in your mind with an AI image generator. You simply type that description, and the program uses its powerful algorithms to analyze your words and create a visual representation of your idea. Here I am going to show you the top 3 best and free AI image generator apps and one bonus tool for you. Just watch the video till the end. Number 3, Bing AI Image Generator. Bing AI Image Generator is a promising newcomer to the free AI art scene. Its impressive image quality and accessible interface make it worth exploring, especially for those who value realism and want to experiment with a new tool. AI boasts the ability to create stunningly realistic images, capturing details and textures with impressive accuracy. Unlike many other AI image generators, Bing AI offers a free tier with limited credits, letting you experiment with its capabilities without breaking the bank. Even in its beta stage, Bing AI boasts impressive image generation capabilities. It can create stunningly realistic visuals, capture intricate details, and render diverse artistic styles. The interface is straightforward and user-friendly, making it a good choice for beginners. Simply type your text prompt, adjust the settings, and watch the AI bring your vision to life. Number 2. Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly is a game-changer in the world of creative tools, offering a unique blend of AI-powered image generation and text effects designed specifically for creatives. You can craft stunning visuals from simple text prompts. Adobe Firefly is a free, powerful, and innovative tool that empowers creators to push their boundaries and explore new possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or a curious beginner, Firefly has something to offer. Firefly's interface and features are specifically designed for creative professionals, integrating seamlessly with Adobe's suite of tools. And you can turn your wildest ideas into vibrant reality. You can play with different styles, colors, and compositions with a single click. Unlike some AI tools, Firefly's creations are licensed for commercial use, so you can use them in your client projects without worry. With its powerful features, easy integration, and constant evolution, Adobe Firefly is a must-try tool for any creative looking to push boundaries and explore new possibilities. Number 1, Playground AI. Playground AI is a rising star in the world of AI art tools, offering a versatile platform for generating images, editing photos, and exploring creativity through text commands. Playground lets you create images from scratch using text prompts. Describe your dream landscape, imagine a futuristic portrait, and watch the AI work its magic. Playground boasts a unique community aspect where you can share your creations and discover artwork from others. It offers free-to-use with 1,000 image generations per day, allowing you to explore its features without committing financially. Playground goes beyond basic image generation, offering photo editing, text-to-image editing, and social features for a well-rounded creative experience. Bolis Tool, Leonardo.ai. Leonardo.ai is a powerful and diverse AI-powered content creation platform. It goes beyond simple image generation and boasts a variety of tools and features designed for artists, designers, filmmakers, and anyone looking to unlock their creative potential with AI. Create stunning visuals from text prompts, exploring diverse styles. You can enhance your images and videos with intelligent tools like automatic color correction, upscaling, and noise reduction. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or confusion about this topic, please let me know in the comments section below.